Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you guys how to make this easy peasy yet delicious buffalo chicken dip. If you guys want to see it, you know what to do. Keep on watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, and share. Without further ado, let's jump right into the recipe. To begin, I am using a small rotisserie chicken. It's nice and cooked and seasoned. That's exactly what we want, already cooked chicken and seasoned well. Now here we have some cheddar cheese, ranch dressing, mozzarella cheese, red hot sauce, and I did mix it with a little bit of Old Bay hot sauce, okay, just to combine both together for extra flavor. I have some cream cheese here as well, and here we have ranch seasoning mix. Now what I am going to do is take the chicken and start shredding it with my hands. Now make sure your hands are nice and clean. As you guys can see, some of the chicken are not fully shredded, so I went ahead and cut them with a knife to make them a little bit finer. Once I was done, this is my chicken nice and shredded. Now it's time to mix everything together. First thing I am going to add in is the dry ranch seasoning, dressing seasoning, whatever. It is absolutely delicious. Try this out. I love this on my chicken and broccoli rice, and I'm like, let me just add it in there. I think it's gonna add some zing, something we need in here. So I went ahead and add that in. Also, we'll be adding our cream cheese. Make sure it's nice and room temperature and soft so you don't fight with it when you're mixing everything together. We're going to add Once you're done, you're going to add in your ranch dressing, and next I am going in with the mozzarella cheese. Last but not least, we're going to add the shredded cheddar cheese. All right. Once you're done, you're going to mix everything together. Like I said, make sure your cream cheese is nice and softened, because once you're mixing everything together, you don't want little chunks of cream cheese not melted fully or not well combined with the rest of the ingredients. Once I'm done, I am going to transfer the chicken into an 8 by 8 dish. Now, just place it in there. We're going to cover it with more cheese, okay? The cheese we're using, basically it's the same cheese, cheddar cheese with mozzarella cheese. Add however much cheese that you do like, honestly, honestly. Okay? Make sure it's nice and flat, of course. Then we can add the cheese or the cheeses. Now we're going to bake it on 350 for about 20 to 25 minutes. Then once it is done, honey, this is what you have. You have a easy, this recipe was super easy. And let me tell you, this is the perfect game night appetizer, or whenever you want to just sit down, watch some TV, and eat some chips. Go for this recipe. It's quick. All right, you can also make this in a crock pot if you like. Let me know if you're going to try it. I suggest you guys try it. Be sure to comment, like the video, subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.